How to stop crosshair from moving in Valorant. So as you can see right here, every time I move or every time I take a shot, my crosshair moves. So as you can see right there, it moves. And every time I step or take a step, as you can see, it just moves like crazy. And when I fire repeatedly or rapidly, the crosshair looks just like that. So if you want to turn that off, you just simply need to go to settings, go to video, or crosshair rather, then just simply scroll down and turn off all of the movement error and firing error. So here, turn it off. And here on the inner lines, turn it off. So mine is currently turned off here at the top. And for the outer lines, make sure to turn it off also. Now when you move, as you can see, the movement in the crosshair is gone. And it doesn't move even if I fire or even if I fire while moving. So it's steady just like that. And that's basically it.